In this video, we are going to see how we can easily resolve this error that prevents you from opening Roblox that says something like this: an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name when using channel use for the empty value. So here's how you can quickly fix that. So we will see a couple of solutions that might work for you, and the first solution is pretty straightforward. You just need to restart your computer by closing the application, and you also need to check whether the date and time is correct and if you are connected to the right network, because that might be a network issue, the date and time issue, or the restart and updates usually solves the problem as well. So it looks very simple solution, but it works many times. And if you're still unable to resolve that, we need to clear the Roblox cache, and that's a very simple step. You just go to the start menu right here, run, and you just write this % local app data %, and we hit OK. And after that, you will see a couple of folders. We just need to find Roblox, and once you see it, you hold the shift key and delete it permanently. Don't worry, this is just a cache files, so it will only clear up the cache and nothing else. Click yes. So this means it's a temp data. So you close out of here and see if that works. And ideally, if you cannot play it directly from your Roblox application, you need to search it on the browser and try to play it from there. For example, I want to search for please donate. So click on that, you play it. Either it will allow you to download a fresh copy, or you can directly open it in the app. So if you're still unable to do that, the second thing I want you to do is just go to the control panel, go to uninstall a program, and you just uninstall the Roblox from here. And now instead of downloading it from the Roblox browser, you just go to the Microsoft Store, just write store here in the start menu, hit enter, and you write Roblox here. If it shows you the option to download it from here, you can simply install it, and that should also work for you. So as you can see, here's Roblox. You click on that and you simply install it from here. You click on get, and that is also a method to download it. And after that, you should be able to access Roblox without an error. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.